Sixth race, New York Sire Stakes. Fillies lined up ready for the start. And away they go. Tranquility K is out of there quickly. Souk Up Blue Chip sent out to challenge. Splash Blue Chip in between horses now shifts gears, and suddenly Splash Blue Chip is the one to watch in the early going as she's up to take on Tranquility K. Souk Up Blue Chip is parked, caught wide a little early, was Iteration. Now off stride goes River of Denial. River of Denial makes a break. So it's Splash Blue Chip making that early splash to take over, and the favorite shifts gears to get by Tranquility K at the midpoint of the backstretch. Into third is Souk Up Blue Chip. Coming away fourth is Iteration. Then comes Me 3. And far out of it after the break is River of Denial. 28-4. Pretty quick first quarter for Splash Blue Chip and Åke Svanstedt, who are now the faces of the field by a length and a half on Tranquility K, who's well spotted in second. 2.5 to Souk Up Blue Chip in third. She's followed on the rail by Iteration, then Me 3. And rounding out the six-pack of freshman trotters is River of Denial after her break, but they head to the half with Splash Blue Chip to catch. Splash Blue Chip does the legwork in lap one and looks comfortable up top in a 58-3 first lap. 29-4 in the second quarter. It's Splash Blue Chip by a little more than a length. Tranquility K eyes the top one from the two-hole, and now getting underway and rushing up into third. Iteration tosses her hat into the ring, and Brian Sears has her in gear first over to be followed up by Souk Up Blue Chip, who vacates the cones but is not firing at first call. To the inside of her is Me 3 as they high step down the backstretch, and Splash Blue Chip is hounded by Iteration, and Iteration's drawn even now. Splash Blue Chip has the inside advantage. Iteration going all she can, and these two together pass three quarters at 128-1, 29-3 for that third quarter. Iteration beginning to flex her muscles, trying to rally back as Splash Blue Chip, and she's doing well in that rally. On the outside, Souk Up Blue Chip will need to do better now. She gets rough-gated and goes off stride. They're at the head of the stretch and set for the drive. Splash Blue Chip reclaims the lead by a length and a half. Tranquility K tries the inside, looking for the upset. Splash Blue Chip's almost there. Tranquility K surging. Iteration back for more. Too late. Splash Blue Chip. Iteration was second with Tranquility K and Me 3, 158-3. Number 2, Splash Blue Chip first. Photo for place. And judges have posted 2-5-1-6 on official.